sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 8th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather wet tonight and tomorrow morning. More rain at the end of the week, then a very cold weekend ahead with a chance of a few snowflakes as we make the transition to cold air. A lot to unpack today, so let's take a look at the current upper air look across the country today. Again, we have a trough west of the state, a southwest flow aloft, and a very cloudy day for the state. A few little breaks in the overcast, but the sky is generally cloudy, and rain is falling over much of Alabama in the deep south. That was the radar composite about 2:30. Rain falling over much of East Alabama. More rain moving into West Alabama, and we'll see a lot of rain around tonight into tomorrow morning. And the air is cold and stable today. Upper 40s and low 50s in most spots. Birmingham at 49, Tuscaloosa 52, Anniston, Gadsden 47. We should be up in the middle 60s this time of the year. There's a look at the watch warning map. We have winter weather issues for parts of the High Plains and the northern Rockies. Severe weather potential through tonight. Now we have a level 2 out of 5, slight risk of severe storms for parts of South Alabama. This would include Mobile and Baldwin counties, parts of Escambia, Covington, Conecuh, Monroe, Clark, and Washington counties. We have a marginal risk almost up to Montgomery. And we could see a few storms tonight over South Alabama, especially near the Gulf Coast with the chance of strong winds, maybe an isolated tornado as well. But again, for the northern half of the state, it's a cool, stable air mass. And then tomorrow, a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 around Dothan, Ozark, Geneva. A marginal risk south of the line from Mobile to Phoenix City. And again, no severe weather for the northern two-thirds of the state. Day 3, which is Thursday, maybe some thunder for South Alabama, but really most of the day should be dry Thursday. And then Friday, we have a risk of severe storms. On day 4, south of a line from near Mobile to Opelika, in advance of an approaching cold front, and that's where the better instability values will be for now. We're not expecting severe weather with that front Friday for the northern part of the state. Here's the QPF, the rain for the next 7 days. Rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week for most of the state. Amounts between 1 and 2 inches. Totals closer to 3 inches down around Dothan. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. We have troughing north and west of the state. The better chance of rain by tomorrow afternoon, shifting down into South Alabama. The sky will stay cloudy, a cool day, highs in the mid to upper 50s. Thursday should be the nicest day of the week. The sky partially sunny. We turn warmer. Highs go into the mid to upper 60s, where we should be for this time of the year. This is Friday. We start the day dry. We'll see a rain increasing late in the day into Friday night. Let's go after midnight. This is 3 a.m. Saturday, and you can see the GFS suggesting the rain will change to snow for about the northern third of the state, north of Interstate 20. This is 6 o'clock Saturday morning off the European, and it's got snowflakes really as far south as Clanton and Greensboro and Roanoke. And after that, the precipitation will diminish by mid-morning as the sky clears. And the question is, can we see any accumulation with this? I think the chance of snowflakes is high. Traditionally, in a case like this where the cold air is kind of chasing the moisture, you don't get a lot. Now, this is coming off the European. And this is suggesting snow could exceed 1 inch in parts of North Alabama, maybe 2 inches around the shoals. This is the GFS, and it's got the potential for 2 inches over the Tennessee Valley. But in a case like this, it's better to use the ensemble approach, and that would be the national blend of models. And you can see it's got the mounts 1/2 inch or less, and I think that's the right approach at this point. This could change. We all know this. We're looking at an event late Friday night, early Saturday morning. We're talking to you on Tuesday. But there could be some light accumulation on grassy areas over North Alabama, especially high terrain. Travel impact, not especially likely, but temperatures will be near or just below freezing by Saturday morning. So just keep an eye on things. Certainly it will be the talk of the town here for the next several days. And then during the day Saturday, the sky clears, but it's going to be cold. North of Birmingham, you'll be in the 30s all day with a brisk north wind. It will not feel like March. South Alabama highs in the 40s, and this is Sunday, and of course it's going to be a sunny day, but a cold morning. Again, this is coming off the national blend of models, 20s all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Maybe, just maybe, a few of the colder pockets could see upper teens early Sunday morning. You can see that reflected at Gadsden and Fort Payne, but again, for most places, we're expecting lows between 20 and 25. But a good warm-up during the day will be in the 50s Sunday afternoon. This is Monday. Moisture begins to increase. We'll keep the forecast dry with highs in the 60s. And then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 15th, got this upper low showing up on the GFS over South Alabama and South Mississippi, and that will likely bring rain in here. We've seen some different variations in this. Other runs have suggested the better rain would be Monday night. Now we're looking at Tuesday, but certainly some risk of rain early in the week, Monday night or Tuesday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday, March 18th, big trough west of the state. Showers and thunderstorms knocking on the door, but that still looks dry at this point. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 23rd of March. You can see the big drop-off. Friday, we could reach low 70s before the cold front arrives, and then for Birmingham, the high Saturday dropping to 42. Sunday morning, the national blend of models showing 24 for Birmingham, and again, many of the outlying areas will be colder. But then we rise into the 70s for the latter half of next week. Cold snaps don't last long this time of the year. And hot off the presses, got the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for March 16th through the 22nd. Temperatures will be above average during this time frame if this forecast verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.